Do you see the line? I'm not moving for another 4 hours, and they see how hard you're working. You're the hardest working guy in the room, but that's what makes you succeed. And that's what brings you more clientele, and that's what makes people want you back again. And so this is not an easy job. It's a fun job, but it's not an easy job. It comes with a lot of stress. It comes with some pretty serious anxiety because you don't want to underperform. But when you get it right, and when you market yourself well, and when you do it humbly, the results are fantastic. And the money is really, really reasonable. Really reasonable. If I can do 3 or 4 gigs a month, I'm doing okay. I'm paying a bill or two. I'm able to handle things. Between my wife's work and my work, we're okay. We can go out to dinner every now and then. This is a great gig, a great money, and it's not something that's going to be taken over by AI anytime soon. The reason why you are hired is not because of your caricatures, it's because of your personality. Now, the client doesn't know that until the day of the event. They think they're getting caricatures. But if AI was so poignant that they would simply download an app and hold an app up to someone, here, get your free caricature, where's the fun in that? No, you are providing the experience. The experience is the key part here. And that's not going to go away. That's simply not going to go away. So that is why dealing with the anxiety is so absolutely important. When you deal with the anxiety and you get into the work, and then you finally start finding your rhythm and you start having fun, all that anxiety dies away, and then you're in it and you are your comedian doing your role, and it is so much fun. But you got to go through a little stress to get there. That's just the nature of how our business works. It's not always going to be easy, and things are going to go wrong, and when they do, breathe in, breathe out, keep going. It's only going to last you a couple hours. You can do it. You can do it. And if you properly handle your clientele, you properly handle your guests, you properly handle the person sitting in front of you, you will walk away successful. And with a nice full tip jar and people laughing and enjoying it and coming to you saying you're the best part of this event. In my rider and contracts, I say I'm looking forward to being your most favorite part of your own event. Set the standard. Set the standard high while making sure that you're stipulating all the important things like, hey, I'm not drawing people every 5 minutes because they're ugly. I'm drawing people every 10 minutes because they're there for a good moment, and the laughter that's going to happen and flex through your entire event is totally worth it.